Biotechnology has been transforming healthcare for decades. With the introduction of gene editing technologies, scientists can now manipulate the DNA of living organisms with precision, paving the way for new treatments and cures for diseases that were once thought incurable. Gene editing is a revolutionary technology that allows scientists to make precise changes to the DNA of living organisms, including humans. By editing the genetic code, scientists can remove or replace faulty genes that cause diseases, such as cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and cancer. This technology has already been used to create animal models of human diseases, enabling researchers to study and test new treatments in a more realistic way. For patients with genetic disorders, gene editing offers a potential cure for their conditions. By modifying the DNA of their cells, scientists can correct the genetic mutation responsible for their disease. But gene editing is not without controversy. Some worry that the technology could be used to create designer babies, or lead to unintended consequences, such as off-target effects or unintended genetic mutations. The ethical implications of gene editing are still being debated, but scientists and policymakers are working together to develop guidelines for the responsible use of this powerful technology. Gene editing is a game-changing technology that has the potential to transform healthcare as we know it. By using biotechnology to manipulate DNA, we can develop new treatments and cures for diseases that were once thought incurable. With responsible use and careful consideration of ethical implications, the future of biotechnology and gene editing is bright.